And developing tonight in Adams County, a verdict has been reached in the trial of a man accused of shooting and killing a man on I-70.
Jeremy Rocha was found guilty of 1 count of first-degree murder after deliberation, 1 count of first-degree murder with extreme indifference, and 4 counts of attempted first-degree murder with extreme indifference in the death of John Jaros in 2022.
So several cars were stopped on I-70 as part of a street race. Jaros tried to drive around them, and that's when he was shot by Rocha. And his wife and 3 children were in the car at the time as well. Jaros was assistant chief of the Glen Haven Volunteer Fire Department. Denver 7 Sam Pena inside the courtroom when the verdict was read.
And Sam, you're hearing from the district attorney late this afternoon.
Yeah, that's right, Micah, Shannon. It was an emotional scene here today at the Adams County Courthouse. The family of John Jaros were crying and hugging. Tears of joy were flowing as they finally heard that guilty verdict for Jeremy Rocha. Rocha admitted to shooting and killing the Glen Haven firefighter back in 2022, but he claimed that it was in self-defense. It was a long 2 years for the family of Jonathan Jaros, but the district attorney says that he's never seen a family that was this resilient.
The family of Jonathan Jaros have been courageous since the moment this horrific tragedy occurred. I don't know that I have ever seen a more resilient, more courageous family, and that starts with Katie Jaros.
And the state and defense both made their final closing arguments today to the jury before that decision. The defense argued that Rocha acted in self-defense, saying that Jaros had chased him and then pointed a gun at him, which prompted him to pull out his own weapon and fire at him. But the state says that video evidence showed that it was Rocha who was chasing Jaros. They also say that they did find a gun, but that it was in the center console. Additionally, the state says that Rocha was guilty of 4 counts of attempted murder. That was towards Jaros' family, his wife and 3 children who were in the car at the time. Rocha says he was unaware that they were in the car when he fired and that it was an impulse decision in response to the gun that he saw. But the state says that it doesn't matter whether or not he knew the family was in the car at the time and that his actions were reckless.
To prove attempted murder, we don't have to prove that anyone else got injured or anyone else received serious bodily injury, just that the conduct that took place truly endangered the lives of those individuals.
This was 2-3 seconds, impulse, saw a gun, fired. You can even tell where the bullets are, that this was impulsive.
And Rocha's sentencing is set for next Thursday at 10:30 a.m. The district attorney says that this decision requires life in prison without parole. Micah, Shannon, so there's still a little ways here to go for the family, but they say they're happy with this decision.
All right, Sam Pena for us tonight. Thank you.